Oh, Mary, look who's here after a 1.5-year hiatus.
Yes, we're back with CommChat.
It's CommChat 2014, the first one of the new year.
Yes.
We are so excited to be back.
Yeah.
What have you been up to since we've been away? And by the way, our hiatus, well, we just don't want to talk about it.
Oh, well, we've been up to having students do great things while we've been
of course,
gone,
yes.
and
Well,
we've been traveling.
Once graduated, traveling is fun, by the way. I went to Panama twice
Yes.
since we
And
did our
we need
last
to tell
CommChat.
we need to tell everybody about Panama, and we welcome, by the way, all the students who are here from Panama, Panamanian students.
Yes, some of which are starting for the very first time in
Yes.
Louisville, and they got back to -1 degrees from a climate that's 90 all the time.
Yes.
So sure was a little bit shocking for
Yeah.
them.
Oh,
It was, and we missed that day of school, so everything is pushed back a day. Drop
Yes.
ad is over, so you missed that one.
Missed that one. It was extended, so any type of deadlines for students for our comm majors are going to probably be extended a day. Just keep that in mind from the deadlines you see.
And what do we have up in the horizon? So what's ICOM up to?
Well, we've got great speakers planned for February, March, and April.
Okay.
And we are sponsoring an internship fair, comm majors. I mean, this is great, where we're going to have probably about 30 companies and organizations represented at the Red Barn February 26th.
Oh, wow, 30 people. So 30
Yeah, so
individual companies, that's 30
Yeah, 30
individual chances to get a job.
Absolutely.
Now make sure Dr. Stewart Esrock approves your internship
Oh,
before
yes,
you go ahead
yes.
and accept.
Yeah, we can do some review of that in the new year for people
Yes.
who are not
Yes,
familiar
if you
with all
want
that.
an academic credit internship, you need
Yeah.
to go to mandatory meetings with Dr. Esrock. I think there's one on like the 24th, 25th, something like that.
It's coming up, so make sure to check in with our department about that.
Yeah, you can't just say,
Yeah.
oh, radio station, I'm an intern now. Because if you want
Right.
academic credit, there's a whole bunch of things that have to be checked off.
Yes.
Resume, work experience, does your internship relate to the specific classes and communication theories that you've learned? It's not just, oh, I'm an intern now.
Right, and here's a tip for all of our viewers out there. If
And
you-
there are millions. Okay.
If you go on the Department of Communication website and click on the internship link, at the very top, embedded in the text, you can actually click on the syllabus for the internship classes. There's 1 for 1 credit, and then all the Bachelor's of Science majors take
For
COM
3
14.
credits.
Yeah, then you have to have 90 hours and above. And as you mentioned, criteria, 2.5 cumulative grade point average.
Okay, yeah, so those D students aren't going on internships?
No. And so we hope that you're raising up your GPAs, everybody, in the new year.
Of course, because
Yeah.
we have no D students in the comm department.
No,
of course not.
That's right.
So I know I can talk a little bit about what's going on with the newspaper this semester.
Yes.
Because that's actually new since we last did a CommChat. So like I'm the advisor of the Cardinal now.
Thank you, and it's flourishing.
Oh, thank you. The kids work hard. We
Yeah.
put it out every single week. A new one came out today. We're going to start doing some regular video. So we'll have
Nice.
video updates all the time. If you indeed are interested in writing for the Cardinal, you can always contact me, Ralph.Merkel at Louisville.edu, or you can email the editor, Simon Isham, and his email is sisham@louisvillecardinal.com. It's a great resume builder.
Well, and then you carry it forth in whatever career you're going to pursue, whether it's journalism, traditional journalism.
We will see you again next time. I think we're wrapping up CommChat. I missed my beverage. Excuse me, waiter. And we'll have to thank, that's Tom Renfro behind the camera. We will see you next time.